Hi everybody, my name is Russell Markham and I work at VectorVest. Are you a beginner share investor and are you wondering what to buy? I remember a few years back when I first started my investing journey, I had no idea what to buy, and so today it's all about showing you just a quick and easy way to find some of the best stocks on the Australian share market each and every day. Before I get going here, let's move myself out the way, and please note our license numbers. In addition, please note general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Now with that said, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. We have this wonderful program called VectorVest 7 in Australia. And what we do each and every day is we find you the best stocks out there. So stocks with the best fundamentals. So fundamentals being, financials, quality of management, how long a business has been around for, all those key factors. So the fundamental building blocks, are they strong? So we find you those top fundamental companies. And then we make sure that the technicals, now it's a fancy word for basically telling you that the share price is going up. So what if you can find some really good quality companies from a financial perspective that are going up in price? And so if we put the two together, we have this indicator here called VST. So it's looking at the best combinations of fundamentals and technicals. It's on a scale of 0 to 2. The higher above 1, the better those combinations of both fundamentals and technicals. And you can see if we log into VectorVest each day and we just go to the viewers, stock viewer, I've just limited it to 5. We're showing over 2,000 currently. I don't want to information overload you here, so let's just move myself out the way so you can see here are our top 5. A lot of these here are gold stocks. Now, gold's running hot at the moment as of the 14th of April 2025, but that can change. Now, the next thing I want to show you here, I'm going to keep this really simple. Don't worry about all this for now. Just look at the price. So here's the price. Let's just take that off. And then this indicator down here below, earnings per share. So think of it as how much money a company is making. So if a company is growing its earnings year in and year out, so the earnings keep tracking up, then you'll see on average, we've seen it time and time again over the years, share price goes up. You don't want to buy into companies where the earnings are falling. And so if I were just to simply show you this, and I said to you, here is the earnings profile, where do you think the share price is headed? Well, earnings go up, share price goes up. So make sure you're buying into companies that are growing their earnings. Now this earnings forecast here, this is a 12-month leading forecast in earnings, and VectorVest does a brilliant job. It doesn't just show you historical earnings, it also builds into account a forecast. So a very powerful indicator in its own right. If you can find those companies that are growing their earnings, and it bodes well for share price appreciation. Let's do this. Let's turn off the price and I'll go to the next one. So here we go. Where do you think the share price is going for this one here with earnings going up? Yep, you got it right. Earnings go up, then you'd expect share price to go up. All right, so let's do it again. Let's take it off. Let's go to the next one. We'll do one more here. Wow, look at this. Huge uplift in the earnings here. Very, very impressive. Where do you think the share price is going to go? Wow, look at that big kick up here, catching up with those earnings going up. And that's all there is to it in terms of finding some of the best stocks out there. Log in to VectorVest each day. So you just log in, okay? Log in, go to your viewers tab, click on stock viewer, and away you go. It's all there each and every day for you. You can go back during different time periods and look at the top fundamental and technical companies ranked there for you each and every day. VectorVest makes investing simple. We do all the analysis for you. A lot of us are time poor. We don't have time to look through all the different companies on the stock exchange, on the Australian Stock Exchange, work out what the best fundamental companies are, and then try to work out which ones have the best technical upward movement. It's all here on a plate. So VectorVest presents it to you each and every day. And then from there, you're best informed, and from there you can then start making your selections. Hope you got a lot out of this short video. Until next time, bye for now.